Hello, everyone. Welcome to the China Business Legal Navigator. The topic for the discussion today is securing your assets in China, a guide to mold and tooling protection in China's manufacturing landscape. In the global manufacturing arena, China stands as a titan, offering extensive supply chain infrastructure and efficient production modalities that attract businesses from all corners of the world. Central to this manufacturing process are the molds and toolings, crucial elements that bring product designs to life on a mass scale. Given their significant investment in terms of time, capital, and intellectual effort, protecting these assets is not just prudent but a necessity to maintain a company's competitive edge and financial well being. However, the task of protecting these valuable assets in China presents unique hurdles, particularly for foreign companies. The Chinese legal environment, with its distinct set of laws and practices, can render the enforcement of standard contracts ineffective. Recognizing these challenges, it is essential to know how to fortify your molds and toolings against unauthorized use and competition in the Chinese market. Establishing solid legal groundwork through NNN agreements. The cornerstone of mold and tooling protection in the non-use, non-disclosure, non-circumvention NNN agreement. This tripartite contract serves as an initial barricade against unauthorized exploitation of your assets. It ensures that your manufacturing partner in China cannot use, reveal, or bypass your molds to sell competing products. It is imperative that these agreements are drafted with careful consideration of Chinese laws, are subject to Chinese jurisdiction, and are penned in the Chinese language to guarantee their enforceability. Building upon NNN with product manufacturing agreements. To augment the events established by NNN agreements, a comprehensive product manufacturing agreement (PMA) is essential. This document should meticulously stipulate the terms of mold ownership, the scope of usage, maintenance protocols, and the protocols for the return or destruction of molds upon the dissolution of the partnership. The precision in a PMA serves as a secondary safeguard, delineating the responsibility and potential liabilities of all stakeholders involved, tailored to the legal nuances of China. Leveraging intellectual property registration for added security. While NNN agreements and PMAs form a formidable legal framework, the protection of molds and toolings can be further reinforced by registering designs and patents in China as soon as possible. Given China's adherence to the first to file principle for intellectual property rights, early registration solidifies your claims and is a strategic move for navigating legal disputes. The critical role of due diligence. The final yet equally critical step in this protective strategy is conducting exhaustive due diligence on potential Chinese manufacturing partners. This process involves a deep dive into the manufacturer's legal standing, past business practices, financial ability, stability, and history with intellectual property rights. By selecting a manufacturing partner with a reputable track record, you add another layer of assurance to the security of your molds and toolings. In conclusion, while China's manufacturing capabilities are unparalleled, the protection of the molds and toolings that are the lifeblood of mass production demands a proactive and strategic approach. By implementing this multifaceted strategy, rooted in stringent legal contracts, intellectual property registration, and thorough due diligence, businesses can shield their innovative assets and secure their market position in the challenging yet rewarding Chinese manufacturing domain. Thank you for listening to the China Business Legal Navigator. Contact us if you need legal help in China, help with background investigation or verification of Chinese companies, protection of your design patents, trademark internationally and in China, verification of contracts to the law in China, drafting of contracts that follow the law in China and are enforceable in China, legally translated into Chinese. Um, and also, we help companies with legal disputes, trade disputes, IP disputes in China, etc. If you require our assistance or have further questions about our services, please do not hesitate to contact our customer relationship manager, Erik Christensen, at janerik@ncbhub.com. janerik@ncbhub.com. You can also go to our website, ncbhub.com, ncbhub.com. We look forward to hearing from you and helping your business grow and succeed in China.